Had to come in and take a little break. Man, it's not too bad outside. I think I'm getting acclimated to the warm weather. But boy, you get in the sun, it's like 90 something. So, walking back and forth and being in the sun, just was too much. But yeah, working on the snapper, getting that back going. I think I got a belt size that's too small. So I went out and looked. I can't adjust anything looser. So, and man, that belt, even the dry belt, I can't believe how loose that thing still operates good with as is, but and that deck belt too. But yeah, this one, I got to break it in a little bit, so we'll see. Definitely not selling that machine. That'll be, getting to pay attention with the children around in the neighborhood, I guess. But yeah, the brakes actually work really good on it. So that's kind of making it a little more challenging, but I can see engaging the deck and starting it starts no problem. It's just when it's off, it's a little bit still pretty much not worn in enough. But anyways, so I'm a minute in. This is a Kirby G4, and yeah, I just threw away the blade, but it was bad, and now it's smooth operator. Basically, you swapped out the impeller. All the other parts I thought were good enough. Gave the lube in the tri-flow. I did tri-flow. I don't like using it. It's only for the Husqvarna Vikings because they have sintered bearings for sinter bearings. But I was like, man, skip it. I'll put some in here. And, oh man, this is beautiful. So I put under the seal, and then I put a little bit of the grease on the seal. Press that. Put that in. After cleaning thoroughly, of course. Put the PTFE on, but I used a little tri-flow oil on both sides of that, wiped it. And then, because I think that seal is supposed to stay in place. So, they say I put a little grease on the seal, put it in, put tri-flow bearing, grease on the seal. Outer side was tri-flow oil. Put this on, tightened her up. Remember, she's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. So this is backwards. So just FYI, but man, that's awesome. And then back here, just right on the, kind of right in a groove, when I lift it up, so I can kind of have it at an angle to flow right onto the shaft. Right here, it might be even wet down in there a little. I can't see it from the camera, but put a couple drops of tri-flow oil down in there, spun it around. I couldn't believe it how smooth, just from the tri-flow lube, how that really just smoothed right out. That's just awesome. So I'm going to pause and fire her up after I get her reassembled. Okay, we're good to go. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. All right, good deal. She's back at it. Okay, have a good one. Be safe. Stay healthy. Christ be with you, and peace.